So the fourth step in the PFMA is really to improve expenditure management and transfers. And that includes appropriate planning before spending or transferring funds. And any deviations from the PFMA, the budget, and the delegation of authority will be considered unauthorized expenditure. And if that's the case, there are consequences relating to this. The PFMA also tries to curtail fiscal dumping to conceal underspending that may have occurred. And fiscal dumping now constitutes financial misconduct. Payments to service providers in the PFMA also have to be made within 30 days of receiving the invoice. The fifth step relates to banking arrangements, and the PFMA prescribes that the accounting officer must take full responsibility for ensuring all revenue is deposited only in the relevant revenue account. All suspense accounts also have to be cleared and correctly allocated to the relevant cost centers within a month. And again, failure to clear suspense accounts amounts to financial misconduct. The sixth step relates to the completion of financial statements on time. And the PFMA prescribes that annual financial statements have to be submitted to the Auditor General within 2 months of the year end. And the responsibility for the financial statements lies with the accounting officer. The Auditor General will refer back poor and incomplete annual financial statements. In such a scenario, the accounting officer will be guilty of financial misconduct. Accounting officers therefore have to ensure that financial statements are submitted within 2 months, and they have to ensure that what they submit meets certain quality criteria and that these financials have been checked by the audit committee prior to the submission. The Auditor General will obviously give feedback on the timeliness and the quality of those annual financial statements. The seventh step relates to the delegation of authority. And the PFMA sets out new delegations of authority and how we go about this. So that's important to ensure the accounting officers can manage their departments effectively and spread the management responsibility to all the other senior managers.